Yo, 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 yo. Damn, you guys are fast. You guys are fast with it. What is happening, guys? What's going on? What's the deal? What's happening? What's happening? What's going on, my people? It's your boy Denzel Effects and Marvel. Yo. What's going on, guys? You know how those Americans YouTubers do their intros over the top. Hey yo, man, what's happening? What's going on, man? We're back again with another banger. We're back again with another banger. Let's go. We're back again with another banger. Banger. Let's go. How is everybody doing? How is everybody doing today? We're back. Bro got that energy in him. You know, energy is kicking. Energy is kicking. Energy is. I can do a rap if you want me to. I can do a rap right now, you know. But I ain't gonna rap for free. Everything got a price tag. Everything got a price tag. People say it's not about the money. But let me tell you something. Money make the world go round. And around. So today's been an eventful day in the markets. We had unemployment claims. I taught you guys a little bit about unemployment claims last week. And the week before, that. I'm just after identifying a wicked zone on US 30. But first, let's take a look at the US 30 trade I had yesterday. It actually played out, which is the funniest thing. It played out, but we just got stopped out. So if I go back to the 15-minute, so if you guys remember yesterday's live session, right? Yesterday's live session, it looked a bit like this. We had the cells here. We were like almost at 1:3, then price suddenly reversed. We got taken out, and look where price is at now. So price is just pushing down. So I didn't catch it. It was outside of my trading window. It was literally outside of my trading window. So what I usually do is I have session breaks. So the session breaks kind of let me know what day and all that I'm in. So let's go to 1:30. We had news at 1:30, unemployment claims. Sometimes unemployment claims with US 30, it moves however the hell it wants to move, which is so frustrating because we can't make any decisions. So this is what today looked like. Nothing interesting on US 30. We're live every day of the week. Every weekday, we are live. Reporting live from the gutter. Every single weekday. For the rest of your life. What video is this? Bro really wants to win a funded account. You will. But some of you guys have to relax with the begging. Like, just a little bit. I mean, guys, I'm sorry, but begging, as harsh as it sounds, begging won't increase your chances of winning. Like, it's not fair. I'll be real with you. It's like you're trying to put your sympathy on somebody else, you know. I don't do that. We all have a sob story. You get me? Like, we all have a sob story. Yeah. But look, begging and telling me your life story and all that stuff, it's not going to change the outcome. If you win, you win. That's how I see it. Because nobody helped me when I was begging. I was begging for mercy. Nobody was helping. And I'm just being real with you guys. The accounts are free giveaways, so it's not like I don't know how to say it, but like it's just a giveaway account. And the worst part about half the people that beg, that win the account, guess what they do? They blow it. They literally blow it. Like this. So people will come onto the lives. They start sending me all these heartfelt DMs about how they're, you know, blah, 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 blah. You give them a chance, you give them an account. They win the giveaway, and guess what? 2 days later, they'll send you another. Actually, the next day, you'll see them participating in the same giveaway. Broski, I'm sorry, I messed up. I did this and the account is blown. Nah. Exactly. When things are free, you don't value it. And another thing I want to add on top: people think because they begged me, I'm gonna have sympathy. The markets didn't care when you lost. You know, the markets did not care one bit when you lost. And let's not forget, the account was free. Like in all my in almost a year I've been doing streaming on YouTube, and the giveaways I've given out, not one person has gotten a payout. No, I repeat, I've been streaming for nearly 1 year now, right? And not one single person has gotten a payout. It's always one story after the other. One thing after the other. After the other, after the other. So what are you gonna do to change? Because begging makes you seem, oh no, trust me, it's a fact. You're saying it can't be true. Listen, it's true. This is my 12th stream with you guys. I've given away 10 accounts. Well, I've given away 2 accounts per stream. So this is my 12th stream. I've given away 24 accounts. $24 multiplied by 10,000. That's how much in figures we've given out. And ask me how many people have taken it serious. 0. Zero people have taken this shit for real. And like I said, I'm just being honest. If I get to win, I will come with the payout. We'll see. Beggars are not looked at in a good perspective. In a way. So out of the 24, no one has gotten a payout. No way. You guys are on the streams every single day. You have seen who the winners are. And I'm pretty sure if the winners, how do I say this? If the winners did pass and win an account, they will be here on the stream saying, yo guys, I passed. I got a payout due. And maybe they haven't passed yet. That's another alternative. But with the other prop firm that I work with, I've been streaming with them for many, many months. So I'm not talking out of my ass here. Trust me, I know exactly what I'm talking about. Not one person has gotten a payout. Warren Chen asks, have I gotten a payout? Nah. You tell me, Warren Chen. You tell me, Mr. Warren Chensky. But anyway, what I'm trying to emphasize, it's not about the payouts, right? And it's not about the account size or anything like that. It's about someone asking you and they're pushing their agenda onto you so you feel a certain type of way. That's what it's about. This stream is pure education. You know, pure education and just good vibes. And it's not good vibes when you come here and you start, please man, I want an account. I've been trying for so long. We can even, for those that don't believe me, we'll do a social experiment. Whoever wins today's stream, pay close attention. See if you'll ever hear from them again that they passed. But I don't want you guys taking it in a way that I'm bashing the people that don't pass. I want you guys to pass. That's the aim. That's why I try to push the giveaways. That's why I'm on stream every day. Really and truly, I should only be streaming 3 times a week with this firm. But I said, nah, I'll stream every weekday. That's what I said. I'll stream every weekday. Just to see if people are taking in the 2 weeks of the 2 weeks of knowledge, the 2 weeks of education. Because after this, and once the boot camp starts, you won't be seeing me every day, man. The priorities are going to change. The focus will be on the students. that are actually willing to learn. Because I've called out a good few trades on these streams. Literally a good few trades on these streams. But let's get away from this giveaway topic. I hate when the stream starts and people are talking about giveaways. We're meant to be talking about how was everybody's week. It's Thursday. Did anybody trade today? And if you traded, what did you trade? Let us know in the comments section. Was it a win? Was it a loss? What pair was it? What session were you trading? We're all supposed to, learn from one another in a way. Okay, Chandru. Chandru closed the trade because of the news. That's what I like to hear. Chandru is aware that there's news happening. A news event is about to occur. So you know what he's going to do? Close the trade. Because the news is like things out of your control. Things literally out of your control. Habibi, charge it and go again. Tony G. Tell him, brother. Trader Sly had a bad Tuesday, so I'm hitting the rest of the week out. Easy. And I'll be real with you, Trader Sly, you're not missing anything out, man. Next week will be better. I took a trade on US 30, so I did. But I don't want to speak too soon. So that's one thing about me, I don't speak too soon until the job is done. Does anybody else feel like that sometimes? You don't want to, put it this way. Let's just say you have a job interview or something like that, and you tell everybody who cares to listen, hey man, I got a job interview, hopefully all goes well. Ever notice sometimes you don't end up getting the job? Does that make sense what I'm trying to say? Sometimes outside sources can fuck a lot of things up. So with me, the way I move, I don't speak until the job is done. Are you in any trades? No, I'm not in any trades. Until the trade plays out. Until the trade either hits SL or hits TP. I don't say nothing. Literally, I don't say nothing. Outside sources and outside energy can really mess things up. You tell your family you're trading. Every second they see you, how's trading? Not that that's bad, and okay, the family thing, not that it's bad, but I'm just giving you examples here. Sometimes don't speak, show. So somebody asked me, is there any favorite day to trade? Yes, Mondays. Let me reduce the volume because things are about to get real here. A lot of people, right, have this stigma against Mondays for some crazy reason. Don't trade Mondays. Mondays is market manipulation. Okay. That's called an agenda. The more you tell yourself that, the more you believe it. Facts. If I open US 30 right now and we go to Monday, as you can see, we caught a sell. I can go to the Monday before that and see how we performed. So last Monday we didn't trade. But what I'm trying to say is, guys, trust yourself. Do your own back testing. Football, you can't play well in the rain. Something like that. If you tell yourself that, the more you tell yourself, the more you believe it. I can't play well in the rain. I can't play well in the rain. Now when it's raining, you're afraid. Nah. You gotta learn how to dance in the rain. Stop waiting for the storm to pass. Just learn how to dance in the rain, man. That's all I'm gonna say to answer that question. The best days to trade are Mondays for me. Excuse me. That's what I truly believe. Nobody can tell you otherwise. Nobody can do anything else, you know. Trust me. Thank you. Whatever day you feel is the best day for you, pick a day and make it work. My favorite days is Mondays and Thursdays. The reason why I like Thursdays is because of unemployment claims. And the main pair I trade is US 30, for those that are wondering. I only trade US 30 majority of the time. Majority. Like 97% of the time. And the other 3% is probably GJ and GU. And USD JPY on Thursdays. So let's jump into Forex Factory for a moment, yeah? So today we had a news event. And it came out 10 times better than expected. This basically means go and buy USD. But before we look at any USD pair, let's go take a look at gold real quick. Because yesterday we had a debate about gold. Whether it's going up or whether it's going down, who knows? I don't know. You tell me. Right? I'm going to go to the 1 hour time frame. Since we last seen each other, gold came back to the bottom. It came back to the top. It came back to the bottom. This is because you guys can't make up your mind. Are we buying gold? Are we selling gold? Once people realize what we're doing with gold, then it's easy. Some people said buying, some people said selling. Yesterday I was on a sell. I didn't trade a sell, but I was looking to sell. I woke up this morning and price was down here at 4 a.m. I stepped away from gold. I looked at the NY session. It was up here. And now we're back again. This is what you call a range, guys. But with the way it's moving, don't forget, on the beginning of the week, I told you guys, let's look for buys. I think we're going to probably buy until we get here and then we sell. That's what I think. But let's not get carried away that people said that they were buying, because sales did happen. You're forgetting that part. Sales did happen. This is where people get caught. Let me show you why people get caught. Some people said buys, some people said sells. All right. Lock this here. Lock this here. Let's say after yesterday's thing, you said, fuck it, I'm buying. You put your stop loss here. You take profit somewhere in the sky. Guess what happened? You got taken out. Let's say you said, I'm selling. I'm going to sell at these highs. Stop loss above the wicked zone. You get taken out. And same goes the last 3 days. You're buying, you're selling, you're buying, you're selling. But there's one thing in common. So there's one thing in common. Come on. Your SLs are getting hit. Gold is such a dangerous pair. If I were you guys watching right now, yeah, forget about gold, man. Like, unless you know how to trade properly, forget about gold. Gold is not for you. Gold is not for the weak. A lot of people trade gold and they just fuck it up, man. They just fuck it up. Cause everything glitters ain't gold. I can't tell you which pairs are the best, but from experience, I don't touch gold. Even the name of the pair is like gold. The second you hear gold, you just get greedy. You know, I bought gold. You feel like, I don't want to say scavenger, but you feel like you shouldn't be doing it. You know, I sold gold. I bought gold. Feels like gold is a crime. But don't let my experience with gold take you off gold. Is what I'm trying to say as well. I personally don't really trade gold like that. But if you are a beginner, forget about gold. Forget about it. Since Tuesday, right? It's now Thursday going into Friday. I couldn't even guarantee you where to buy and sell gold. The only thing I would have said was we had a wicked zone somewhere here, but price never fully dropped the way we wanted it to. We could have caught a 1:3, I'm not going to lie, but look at this, man. Like, price action is trash on gold sometimes. How volatile is gold compared to US 30? It's okay, but US 30 is better. Because when US 30 moves, it moves. Like, it moves. This is our week with US 30. Compare gold to US 30. US 30, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sort of setups on US 30. And now we're here. If I go to my other US 30 chart, if I go to the 4-hour, if you guys remember, I marked this out on the clean US 30 chart. Over here, there's a wicked zone. So now price is hopefully pushing up so we can do something. But you guys have to understand, there's more to everything than US pairs. There's GBP, Euro GBP, GBP CAD, GBP AUD, Euro JPY, you know, there's so many. We have Tony Gold in the house. He is the gold connoisseur. He and Donald Trump go hand in hand. If you need anything gold, Tony Gold has you covered. And that's facts. Tony Gold has you covered. We're just missing Donald Trump right now. COVID gold. See? Don't forget Forex Fungi. The Forex Fungi. Let's go. I prefer AUD USD. Let's go. Somebody create a YouTube account and call it Joe Biden, yeah? And join the streams as Joe Biden, so whenever Donald Trump pulls through, yeah, we have a nice political war. So yeah, let's continue on, right? I'm going to show you USD JPY. One of my favorite pairs to trade every Thursday. And guess what day it is today? It's Thursday. US 30 buys, easy, clean, simple. I'm going to make this big full screen. Walowski. What's the first thing we look for, guys? For those that are in our calls every day, when we're looking to trade, what's the first thing we're going to look for? Tell me. Today, you guys are going to do the breakdown with me. I'm looking for one answer. Before I begin to enter the market, what's the first thing I'm searching for? Break of structure. Mark has been watching the streams for like, I don't know, 2 days, 3, 4, 5. He knows. The very first thing we always look for is a break of structure. Some of you might call it change of character. Some of you guys might call it, I don't know. But over here, the 5P way, we call it a break of structure. That's the first thing. As you can see, there was a break of structure here. Question 2, what do we go? Where do we go from here? So these streams are meant to be for education. So if you're new to trading, this will help. So after we have a break of structure, what do we do? Fib. Pull out the Fibonacci. You guys are getting the free sauce here. Fibscatini. After the Fibonacci, let's go. Where do we go from here, guys? Wait for the retest. Yes, sir. So I hope now when you guys are trading, just think my voice in your head. What are we looking for? Break of structure. You get the break of structure. What's next? Fibonacci. After Fibonacci, wicked zone. Let's go. Our wicked zone. So our wicked zone is usually between the 6180 and the 7860. Around here. After we have the wicked zone, we get rid of the Fibonacci. We no longer need it. Boom. We don't need the Fibonacci no more. The wicked zone. So this is the part where how do I say this? Pick your poison. The time frame is up to you. We can find the wicked zone on the 1 hour, the 30 minute, the 15, the 5. Right now we're on the 1. Let's dive into 30 minute and see Wagwan. So on the 30 minute, I've already found my wicked area. As you can see right here, there was like a nice Balinsky. Oh yeah. Easy. If we wanted to, we can then go to 15 and make sure that the wicked's, oh yeah, perfect. After that, we can even go to 5. Wicked area. So now all you do is go back to whatever time frame you're comfortable with, right? Have your long position tool, bang. Your take profit will be somewhere up in the sky, and your stop loss will be slightly below the box. So when price came down here and pushed back up, it was already a 1:4. Let's go into the 30 minutes so you can see I'm not capping. The minute we hit this wick and push back up, even up here, it was already a 1:4.6. So now let's go and check out Forex Factory. So at 1:30, the news came out. Boom. So when the news came out at 1:30, it took about, let's see how many minutes it took for price to come down here. It was actually instant. Price instantly came. Then from there, we're pushing P. Great trade breakdown we have here. Let me quickly go back to the 1 hour, yeah? So on the 1 hour time frame, if I go back to my Fibonacci from the low to the high, my take profit is usually the minus 27. So if this trade does end up going to minus 27, we have a 1:5.2. I repeat, we have a 1:5.2. If it goes to our second take profit minus 68, we have a 1:7. That's what you call a breakdown. This right here. That's what you call a breakdown. So we shared some trades here and there. Mike shares a few trades. I don't really share trades anymore in the free Telegram. Speaking of free Telegram, I have not posted the links for you guys to join when it's giveaway time. My bad. Less is more. Keep it simple. So as you can see on the screen, guys, yeah, when it came to taking this trade on USD JPY, look how easy it was. We only have a break of structure, a Fibonacci, and a wicked zone. We only have 3 things. 3. You don't need 50 confirmations. You don't need to have 50 indicators. You don't need no RSI. You don't need no divergence. You don't need no MACD. If it works, it works, okay? So I'm not throwing any shade. If it works, it works. But check it. Break of structure, Fibonacci, wicked zone. Boom. And there you have a great trade. And 1:3 standard procedure. Standard mindset. Trading can be that simple. Like I said, people love to overcomplicate it. People love to, yo man, trading is hard. Da, da, da. No, 3 things. You know what? While we're here, let's go look for some more examples. Because why not? Let's go look for some more examples. We had an example here. People are always trying to catch 1:50s, man. You don't need no 1:50. You just need a 1:3. That's it. What is the procedure for giveaway? That's the procedure. I'm new. Join my first class today. Let's go. If you have a good 1:1, it's sustainable. Yeah. Listen, you can have a 1:1, a 1:2. You can even have a minus. It's whatever works for you. Like, I cannot stress that enough, yeah? It's literally whatever works for you. All right? Whatever works for you, do it. Some people like to scalp because they're not patient. If you're not a patient person, scalping is for you. If you are a patient person, swing trade. Like, deeper. Think about it. There's day trading, scalping, and swing trading, and buying and investing, and whatever. Why do you think there's so many different categories of trading? Because there's so many different characteristics and personalities of people buying and selling. That's why. I don't recommend anything. Like, I don't recommend you do a 1:1 for a beginner. I don't recommend anything. What I do recommend is join the boot camp. Because when people ask me questions, I'll tell them the answer and they'll do whatever they want. You know, I can tell you a 1:1 is trash, but you're still going to go and do what you want at the end of the day. I've been preaching since I started streaming here 1:3. I don't care if you've been trading for 10 years or 10 days or 10 minutes or 10 hours. 1:3 is standard protocol here. Standard. For me, I could be trading on the 1 minute time frame, 1:3. I could be trading on the 15-minute time frame, 1:3. I can be trading on the weekly, 1:3. So do what works best for you, man. I cannot emphasize that anymore. What works for you works for you. The reason I say 1:3, put it this way. You're asking me about 1:1, yeah? It's going to take you 3 trades. 3 trades. You have to win 3 trades in a row. 1, 2, 3. To gain 3%. I just have to do that in 1 trade. Think about it. Like, think about it. If you lose 3 trades, you have to now trade 3 more times to get back. If I lose 3 trades, I just have to get 1 trade and I'm back. 1:3. And for those interested in the boot camp, I'm going to be real. Only sign up if you're willing to pay. We've had over 200 submissions in the past 72 hours. A few people have been selected, but when it's time to pay, you're nowhere to be seen. You're hiding in the shadows, thinking shit is sweet. You think we're going to dedicate 30 days of a boot camp and teach you our strategy for free? Come on, man. Wake up. Wake the hell up, man. Wake up. And for the price. The price is $250. This is what I was talking about yesterday. People love to take. Meanwhile, there's people out here taking loans for a boot camp for $2,000. People are doing trading courses for $5,000, $2,000. But you can't invest $250. Come on. Or should I say you're afraid to invest $250. And I'm being real. If we were in it for the money, we would charge if we're in it for the money, we would charge $1,000. But we're not. We're in it to make sure people can actually, because obviously the majority of people that are in these giveaways are always telling me sob stories, this and this. Yeah, $250 is the best you're gonna get. Like, I won't lie to you. 30 days 1-to-1 with myself and Mike. We're teaching you the strategy for $250. Need I say more? People will pay $250 for a pair of Jordans, but not for knowledge. People will pay $250 for a 50K account and blow it. People will pay $250 for signals. But you cannot pay 250 for 30 days for something that's going to last you forever. I repeat, something that's going to last you forever for 250. I don't know what the world has come to, man. Back in my day, when you guys were still in nappies and diapers, oof. If I saw someone was doing a course for 250, take my money, please. Take it, teach me. 250, please. Let me even put this in perspective of trading. The risk to reward you're gonna get for 250 is limitless. It's 1 to infinity. I repeat, 1 to infinity. Reverse psychology. It's like, yo, exactly, give a man a fish he'll eat today, but teach a man how to fish he'll eat forever. People will sell a course 300 to 500 and there's not even one-on-one support. Exactly. That's the thing. Let me tell you a funny story. How many of you guys know Lambo Raul? Does anybody here know Lambo Raul? Okay, Will knows Lambo Raul. Right. So, one of my friends bought his EA that he keeps advertising that has a crazy win rate, a crazy strike rate or whatever, right? This is how I know people are in it for the money. So one of my friends bought the bots that he's selling, right? Perfect. But tell me why on Instagram he's advertising there's a Discord community for the people that have bought the bot so everybody can have the settings and everything like that, and everybody's taken care of this, that, and the third. So now my friend is asking me, yo, can you help me out, find out what's going on? So when my friend bought the account, right? Trinity EA, that's what it's called. When my friend bought the EA, no support, there's no way to help, and you can't even join the Discord for the community that he's saying. And in order to join the community, it's actually a signals group that you have to pay for. That's how you know people are in it for the money. I'm disappointed, man. I'm actually disappointed. See, the thing is, when someone with such a large following is advertising something like that, you would think that they're actually trying to help the people. But really and truly, it's just a quick way to make another buck. To make a nice 2K, someone buys the bot and you leave them be. You know? So I was even trying to test out the bot myself so I can help my friend. Try and play around with the settings. If I sign into FTMO and I show you how this bot performed, guys. Barazy. Meanwhile, on this side, I want you guys to, like I said, be taken care of. I want you guys to know that I have your back. So I'm even going to sign into my account here, my Funded Next account. So you guys can see yourself that what we're doing is trying to help people pass, not trying to take money from the pockets real quick and just not give them the support, you know. That's not cool. That is not cool at all. Then they blame you for not trading their signals. Yeah. The EA was first, the EA was like 1,000. Then they relaunched it 1,700. Then they relaunched it 1,800. Relaunched it again. After they relaunched it, 2K, 2,200. You're just like, yo, man, come on, brother. Don't get me wrong, right? Do not get me wrong. Bots are good if you want to pass a challenge fast. Because put it this way, nowadays the challenge is 8% and then 5. So let's do the maths. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You have to make 13% and there's no time limit. The worst part about this 13% that you make, you don't even get 1 cent. I repeat, with this 13% that you make, you don't even get 1 cent. So think about the stress that you're putting yourself to pass phase 1, pass phase 2, then get the live account. Where on this side, what we're trying to do is help. Literally, you don't have to worry about nothing. You get the account, you give it to me, I put my bot on the thing, I turn it on, and boom. This is a phase 2 account. We're up 15,000. And we actually passed it today. Trade in 6 days. Look at the statistics here. Look at the statistics. 0% loss, 0% maximum loss. That was phase 2. Let's go to phase 1. Phase 1 we made 47%. I don't care about the numbers because I'm never going to get this money from a demo, is what I'm trying to say. I'm trying to let you guys know it's easy. You know, it's easy. We traded 3 days here. Bang, bang. Job was done. Job was done. I'm just trying to help. That's what that's what we are also doing a boot camp. I'm not just saying that for promotion or anything like that. Because a lot of people want to learn how to trade. A lot of people want to do this, do that, whatever, yeah. Here we are. I'm even doing... Let's look at the stats here real quick. Let's look at this. Streaming. Let's look at this here. I'm giving you guys 1 hour a day on this platform. Within this 1 hour, I at least give you some content and some gems worth at least 30 minutes. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And the thing about this is, yeah, it's every day, every weekday. You see, every weekday. So you can't say I'm not trying to help here. On the other platform I work with, I can't even count how many streams I've done with them. Probably over 100 streams. Literally over 100 streams. But I can show you my account as well. On my account here, just search Denzel FX. Boom. And I hope you guys are subscribing. I hope you guys are subscribing. And boom, on my side, I'm streaming too. Look at all these streams for free. At one stage when I did my first ever stream, I had 0 viewers. 0. Nada. But now we're growing. My channel now has over 250 240,000 views. I just wanted to help one person. And now the channel is sitting at 240,000. But just remember, I had zero. What I'm trying to emphasize, I had zero. I didn't beg anybody. Zero. Anyways, it's giveaway time. It's giveaway time. So be sure to subscribe, yeah? Be sure to subscribe. It's the least you could do. And I appreciate those that actually support. Literally, I actually appreciate that. You support me, I support you. I help you, you help me. I scratch your back, you scratch mine. Isn't that how life is supposed to be? You get bad karma and you get good karma. So guys, make sure you have a Discord account. I repeat, make sure you have a Discord account. And make sure you follow the links on this chat right now. If you're on your phone, look, yeah, it's even highlighted. Click on every one of these links. Telegram, open Telegram, okay? Next up, once you're finished with Telegram, open up the YouTube, subscribe. Open up the bootcamp if you're interested and you're willing to pay the $250. Open up the bootcamp. All right. So once you're finished, once you follow My Flash Funding on IG, follow myself on IG, subscribe to my YouTube channel and My Flash Funding, come back and comment your Instagram username so I can check that you are a participant. And I will be checking. And don't spam. Literally, if I see spam, you're just making yourself more on my radar not to pick you. That's me being honest. If you're spamming the comments, you're just putting yourself on the radar to be ignored. Why? There's no need to spam. Like I said yesterday, every viewer that comes on this stream, I'm gonna guarantee you will all have an account. But it all starts with a bit of cooperation, just a little bit of cooperation. So the first person I'm choosing right now is Atala AG26. I'm going to text you saying TikTok. And once I do so, right, I need you to send me a screenshot that you are in the Telegram. Atala AG26. That you don't even exist. Actually, hold on, my mistake. I put two L's. I put two T's instead of one. I apologize. Atala 26. You don't even follow me. You're not even following me. You had your chance. You blew it. Next. Dynamic_FX. Dynamic_FX. You're following. Perfect. Send me a screenshot of you in the Telegram group. Send me a screenshot of you in the Telegram group. TikTok. Dynamic FX, I hope you're listening. Send me a screenshot of you in the Telegram group. I'm giving you 10 seconds. After the 10 seconds, I'm moving on. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There goes your chance. You blew it again. That's your second chance. I'm no longer considering you ever again until we come back and spin the block. Dynamic, you messed up. That's 2 people that messed up. Next person is Lail underscore Kafalu. LIEL underscore KAFALU. You're not even following. Next. You're asking me what's the Instagram. Look at the screen, bro. Look at the screen. It's like some people, when it's giveaway time, you lose your common sense. It literally says follow 5P Trading on Instagram. Anyways, I don't mean to raise my voice, but common sense when it's giveaway time just goes out the window. Next person, John Julius 838. I hope you got common sense, brother. John Julius 838. Do you even exist? John Julius. You don't even exist, man. John Julius. You're not appearing. There's no accounts for John Julius 838. There goes your chance. Next up, Sly the Trader. Sly the Trader. Or should I say Sylvester? Are you following? You are following. Let's go. Sly, you have one job. Okay? You literally have one job right now. I'm going to message you TikTok. Send me a screenshot of you in the Telegram. You have 10 seconds. And this goes out for anybody who could be next. You have 10 seconds. Sly, come on. 10. Okay, you just seen the message. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. The image you just sent, we can't open it. Send it again. I don't know if you're trying to buy time. Send again, because look, we can't see the image, man. That's 4 people that are blowing these chances. Come on. I'm giving you 5 seconds. Sly the Trader. Okay, you're in. We have our first winner. So Sly, make sure you're in the Discord, yeah? For now, send me your full name, email, and your Discord username. So winner number 1, Sly the Trader. Next, I'm gonna pick John Akinola, my brother. Please, I hope you've learned from these people that are messing up, yeah? John Akinola. John Akinola. There's about 10 John Akinolas, man. And I picked the one that has the same picture as you. Underscore John Akinola. This is you. I can tell from your profile picture. But guess what? You don't even follow me. You seen 5 people blow this chance. 5, and you... Next. Who's next? Who's next? John, you're done. You're done here. You're done. Stop commenting. You're done. Until next time. That's 5 people. John, please, I'm gonna mute you if you keep commenting. You had your chance. Goodbye. Try again tomorrow. You had your chance, brother. Like, you guys are listening to what I'm saying and people are not following. And on top of that, once you get picked, you can't follow a simple rule by follow 5P Trading on Instagram. It's literally written on the screen, but you guys can't. Anyways, the next person I'm picking right now is Sandru V.FX. Here's your chance. Sandru.fx. Finally, someone with sense again. You're following. Congratulations. I'm going to message you saying TikTok. You have 10 seconds to respond. TikTok. TikTok. Ooh, he's fast. He's typing. He's fast. He's fast. He's fast. TikTok. Send me the picture, broski. Do you want to win or not? Quickly. I'm giving you 10 seconds. You're... Oof. Okay. Shandruv, congratulations. You guys, it's mad when it's giveaway time. When it's not giveaway time, you're always asking me about giveaway. Then when it's giveaway time, you can't follow simple instructions that are on the screen. Anyways, Shandruv, finally, I hope you're happy. Congrats. Send me your full name, email, and Discord username. All right. I also have some more good news. If you're in the Telegram group, go to the Telegram. I'm going to go live again with the other prop firm. So that's 2 more accounts up for grabs. So in today, there's 40K worth of accounts up for grabs. All right. Anyways, thank you for coming, and I'll see you guys in like 5-10 minutes. Yeah. Dynamic FX, you fucked up twice. I'm just letting you know. You fucked up twice. Anyways, peace out.